In this video, I'm going to explain to you step-by-step beginner's guide to trading cryptocurrency. So, I trade in 3 different ways, even though there are a lot of ways you can trade. Number one, I trade with both, where both can be, I'll just put USDT, both will be the one to decide when to buy, when to sell. Then the second way I trade, I do copy trading. There are some master traders, those that they have track record of the trade that they used to trade, where all you need to do is to put in your USDT and then copy whatsoever they are doing. And that does not mean that they have access to your money or anything. The only thing is that they earn profits, they get percentage of your profit. Let's assume you are trading with $100 or 100 USDT, and then you make profit with the, as you copy their trade, you make $120. That's 20% return in investment. So some traders, they get some 6%, some 12% out of that your interest. So out of that 20%, they get percentage. So, and you have total control of your money, okay? And you can pull out anytime, and you can also set a stop loss where you can say, okay, as I'm copying your trade with $100, I don't want to lose more than $5, okay? But I can gain as much as possible. If you watch to the end, I will show you where you can get these resources all for free. And then the third way I trade personally is I analyze the markets. When I analyze the market, I will see what is happening based on the news, based on trending, whatever is happening around. Cryptocurrency trading mostly, especially when it goes to buying high and selling low or any other thing or prediction, is all about speculation. So I analyze the market and speculate to see what is really happening, to be able to know what coin should I buy, which one should I not buy. And again, either cryptocurrency is going up or down, or a particular coin is going up or down, we can predict. So when we predict based on our analysis, we use sometimes we use AI and all that to know what is really happening. So I can decide now that, okay, if Pepe coin is going to go down, I can also trade and say that it's going to go down by speculating and predicting. And then I'll put it that, okay, if it's going down, this is what I'm going to gain, and I earn even while it's going down. And I can also, that means I will trade it short. That means I'll make profit while it's going down. And again, I can also predict that it will go up, and if the trade go according to my prediction, that means I will long it. So by so doing, that means if it's going up, I get. Sometimes we can get up to 30% return in investment, sometimes 100%, sometimes 300% return in investment, and sometimes you lose. Okay? And so how then do you become a trader? Number one, you need to have a platform that you can sign up. I use Bybit. So I have a Telegram channel where, number one, I show you, and I'll give you, here's my link you can use to sign up. If you just join the Telegram, you click and you register. And again, I put videos. Number one, you will see the video Beginner's Guide to Trading Cryptocurrency, where I'll explain even deeper than what I just said now, so that you watch me practically how to sign up and verify your account. Secondly, on Bybit, you cannot trade with less than $50, okay? That's the least you can start trading with. So I advise you trade, if you have up to $100, you can start with it, okay? A lot of us here now, if I check, most people will say they cannot afford, they don't have $40, $50 to start with. But then if I check from January till now how many Ponzi you have joined, and it will disappear because someone promised you double, you'll be amazed. So please come off it and don't come DMing me asking me I should give you money to start trading with. There is other ways you can also start trading with zero, like by the airdrop. I've done video on airdrop that I explain how you can get free coins to start trading with, but this video is about trading. So I did that video, number 1, beginner's guide on trading with cryptocurrency. The second one, I did video on bot trading, how you can also use bot to be trading for you. I also did video on copy trading, that's the third one. And then the fourth one, which is the most sweet and beautiful one, I did a video on how to copy my how to be getting signal. So even if you are new, you don't know how to analyze the market and all that, so I do the analysis and all that. So this is where other people used to charge some people to be in their group for them to be giving you signal. So but me, I do it freely from my heart. The only thing I ask is you can use my link to, you can use my partnership link to sign up so that I can get little commission for that. Well, if you choose not to, you are free. So you join my Telegram channel, it's all for free. The link is in my bio. So you watch the video, sign up, okay? Sign up, like this video, drop a beautiful comment so that more people can see it. You know, sometimes we that would love giving freely, I don't know why we don't go viral. So please, but you can just trick the algorithm right now. Give me a like, drop a beautiful comment, share, save this video, and then click on my bio, then go to my Telegram channel where you see a pin message where I put all the videos, and I used to drop a signal. So the fourth video I put in that channel is how to take the signal, so that if I put signal that okay, this is what I'm buying, this is how much you should put to buy, this is how my prediction is, I show you practically how to exit, how to go in, how to enter position, how to put your stop loss. And again, there is something I do that I don't lose most at time, and I explained in that video, but I'll still briefly give you tips right now. That okay, let me say if I predict that this market is going to, this particular coin is going to go down, and I enter the market. So the moment I enter the market, if it started going down, I will now move my stop loss to the entry position. That means even if it now still later turn against me, I will not lose, because I will now use the market price that I entered with. That's where it will be my stop loss. So even if it now later turn, I don't lose. Number 1. Number 2, I take out profits. Please, if you, a lot of people, reason why we are suffering so much in this country is greed. Is greed. So as it's going up, I always take out my profit. Sometimes $1, $2, I'll be taking out. Then later in the day, I can sell it off. Sometimes $10, $20, and I also give you video practically how to even sell your cryptocurrency, either you're in Nigeria or other parts of the world. I think I've said so much. Please like this video. Thank you so much. Give me a follow. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.